Hello, my name is Philip and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today I will explain how to use the three words still, already, yet. Things in common. Still, already and yet are all adverbs and can all be used to talk about things going on around the present. Still, we use still to talk about something that hasn't finished, which may be surprising. Still usually, but not always, goes in front of the main verb phrase. Some examples. Are you still studying? He still hasn't been to France. I still can't decide what to do. Already. We use already to talk about something that has finished, but that this was earlier than expected. Already usually, but not always, goes in front of the main verb phrase. It can also go at the end of the clause for emphasis. For example, she's already finished work. I'm only 18, but I've already been to 25 countries. You can't have arrived already. I'm not even home. Yet. We use yet in questions and negatives to talk about things that haven't happened, but we think they will. Yet usually appears at the end of the clause. For example, haven't you left yet? I haven't met my teacher yet. Are we nearly there yet? Remember, you can practice these and many other grammar points with me, Philip, your teacher at Skype class. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.